Ang lalim na nanghugot dito ni Dave Ildefonso mga idol at nilamon ang tatlong bantay. Pero The Mason Man, Dick Manuel may pinadapa sa kanabihirang crossover. Makabawi kaya ang Pangasinan mga idol o magiging 2-0 advantage na ng Abra? Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang Game 2 Northern Division Finals full game highlights hanggang dulo. Abra Solid North Reverse versus Pangasinan Hitwheels. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Team 5 that started game number 1. And ang ganda rin ang kombinasyon ng bigs talaga nitong Abra Weavers. G.H.U. Raven Gonzalez. And you have Dave Ildefonso at number 3.
Raven Gonzalez. Labas kay Ayon for the 3. Yes! He's found his groove. Ito si Mike Ayon is just, it just smells deep. Go to Mabulak. Bulanadi, the fake. The pass to Mabulak, easy too.
Well, sa depensa ng Abs.
Jore against Chu. There's a double team. Napoles keeps it alive. Cabo finds Jore Napoles. Look what I found.
Moises
Mike. Ayon with a jumper. That is money for Mike.
Wala kausap si coach. Ganda naging recovery para sa Hitwheels.
Well, nice help there. Galing kay
Yes.
Di Gregorio. Bulanadi scores over. Is in the game, and so is Alfred Batino. Ildefonso 0 for 4 to start the ball game, but Batino gets the offensive rebound. Gonzalez inside. Bonga Lanza, Enzo Serrano is in the game. Nag-cut si Magoliano, very forceful inside. Ayon spins away, 3-on-1 break. Serrano scores off the glass and in.
Ganda ng pagkaka-timing ng ginawa nito.
Melencio gets it to Vic Manuel. Nice crossover by the muscle man. What a move! Wow! Ildefonso sees daylight. Serrano attacks and scores. We are tied at 15.
Ang mga shooters na nasa loob.
Melencio, naubusan ng oras. Sayang, shoot sana.
At yun naman ang nagugustuhan mo sa mga attitude ng mga upcoming stars like Dave Ildefonso. But this drive though, ibang klase, dire-diretso yun. Wala nakapigil.
Back the other way for Abra. Batino wants it against Manuel. Batino, yes!
Ibang klase yung catch and shoot pero hindi maganda yung angulo ng pagkakapasa.
Camacho to Raven with a push shot, soft touch. Raven Gonzalez.
Switch.
They go to Raven inside. Raven Gonzalez.
And more importantly sa akin, they're both sponges na talagang gustong matuto. Ika nga para sa laro.
Vic Manuel with a turnaround, he gets the bounce. That's an important basket because Abra for the muscle man.
So far, lahat ng mga scoring na nakikita natin nanggagaling mostly sa mga big men itong dalawang teams.
Inside, Dave Ildefonso, strong to the cup. See that, ni Bulanadi, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ayon drives, runner off the glass and in. Yes, absolutely. Here's Mabulak. Inside, Bulanadi. Good answer for Pangasinan.
Easy ng basket na yun.
Inside, Galanza. 2 points. And this is how stayed around to finish the season in the Magoliano nakabantay. Ildefonso for 3. No. Melencio with another rebound. Galanza from half court. That doesn't work.
But you still love the energy. And you still gotta produce those points.
Ildefonso, Bulanadi read it. Ang ganda naman. Para kay J.H.U. bumagsak ang bola, he was able to score.
Sa isang coverage na nabanggit mo, patented shot.
Wala na.
Si Rano. Spin floater.
Mabulak goes to the middle. Nandun si Napoles. Mike, turn around, got it.
Boy, he made those baskets. And the thing is, pag tinignan mo ang mga games kung saan nagiging mas competitive itong heat waves, free throws ang magaling sila.
Let's go to Andrea.
The Pangasinan Heat Waves are liking whatever is happening. Ito ang plano nila. Keep it as close as they can. Going to the crucial part of the game kung saan nung game 1, dito daw talaga sila sa third quarter nagsimulang lumubog. They need to change the narrative. Alin Bulanadi, Vic Manuel both mentioned how their defense is much tighter now. Mas andun yung effort. Meanwhile, Mike Di Gregorio...
We'll see what happened here.
When he got past Napoles, parang dun siya na ano, no?
Yeah, but didn't look like Napoles extended anything there.
Right. It didn't look like...
Kabula. Back to Vic Manuel. 6 seconds to work with. Vic. Here's a double team. And Bulanadi relocated. And the
Marquis.
Gabo. Now with Bulanadi. Alin fires, short rebound, Mabula. Vic Manuel. That's a tough shot, no problem for the muscle man. No. Abra only up by 3 here. Ildefonso. Atake sa gitna. Dave Ildefonso.
Well, soon as naiwan.
Anza dumps it to Magoliano. Masyado malakas. JP, another try, no good. Taiwan. Three-pointer. Oh! That's a big one for Marvin Taiwan. Ildefonso. Jumper, got it.
It doesn't matter.
Serrano off to Taiwan. Yi inside. Marquis makes it a 12-point lead.
And every time
Taiwan. 6 seconds. Serrano will fire the 3. No. Ildefonso trying to grab that rebound. Yi down on the floor, takes the shot. And that will do it. And they're brothers. Like us.
At saka si Delphi yung 101% for your kid. Kaya naman bukas nasa first communion night.
Oh, Marquis.
My goodness.
Magic Bunot. Marquis, no stranger to the bright lights of the MPBL. Ito si Marquis extending the lead to 12. He's got 5 points here in the second half. Napoles trying to answer.
Yeah.
Got it.
That's the shot that I've been waiting for, Jory.
Mas loaded pa nung dumating ito si Jason Brickman.
Yes.
Oh, Bonga Lanza for 2 was the foul. It's the defensive stand
Correct.
of his team. Napoles for 3. Got it.
I told you. Catch and shoot. Ball swing.
Under 6 minutes to play. Taiwan with a getaway. Finds Oduba underneath. Taiwan. Marwin attacks. Naiwan ang bantay. It's Marwin, Taiwan. Gabo to Napoles. Another 3. Yes! Jory Napoles.
Jory Napoles on that weak side. May pagkakataon ka.
Gonzalez underneath. And Raymond Gonzalez with 11 points. Si Marwin natatakot pag sumundot dun na alanganin. Ayon, puts it in. Hindi yun ha. Sino gumawa nun?
Tingin ko si Maki.
Hindi
ba?
Kilala ko yung gumawa nun. Di Gregorio with a big 3.
They're still in it.
Floor for Abra. Ayon. Nandun pa rin si Napoles. Swings it over to Dave Ildefonso. Ildefonso, draw pass. Oduba is there. What a play. Galing kay Dave Ildefonso. Bulanadi goes to Di Gregorio. Atake si Mike D.G. The basket plus the foul.
Iba.
No, you sometimes would want that off the dribble.
That's right.
Taiwan with 5 seconds in the shot clock. Brickman. Ayon for 3. Ball is loose. Picked up by Taiwan. Oduba. Iron slips. Brickman has it. Taiwan